Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to cook tomato rasam in a soapstone cookware, also known as Kalchatti. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. So this is soapstone or Kalchatti, which I got as a gift a couple of days back from Essential Traditions by Kyle. All the details of this will be updated in the description box below this video so that you can check it out. Now I have washed and rinsed the Kalchatti as per the instructions given by them, and now it is washed and completely clean. Now the best thing about this soapstone is that it is pre-seasoned, so you don't need to season it. You just have to wash and rinse it as per the care instructions given by them. So I'm going to cook with this for the very first time. Now first I'm soaking a lemon-sized tamarind in 2 cups of water. To make the rasam, I am using 4 medium-sized tomatoes. If your tomatoes are large, use 3 tomatoes. And first I am going to roughly chop the tomatoes into the Kalchatti. Now if you have any doubt with regard to the health benefits of Kalchatti, you can find more details on Kalchatti, the benefits of using this, in the blog maintained by Essential Traditions by Kyle. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can just go there and read to know the benefits of using Kalchatti. This Kalchatti is entirely handmade and it is one of the traditional cookware. Into this I am chopping in a handful of coriander leaves, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. Kashmiri chilli powder you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. Now if you're using ordinary chilli powder, reduce by half. Kashmiri chilli powder has less heat but gives a nice color to the dish. 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. 2 green chillies slit. And now out of this water I'm just adding in about 1/4 cup of water. And now I'm going to use my hand to mix the tomato and the spices. Just squeeze the tomatoes and mix it into the spices. And I would suggest not to use a spoon to mash this. Just use your hands to do this. Now add in the tamarind water. Now turn on the flame and keep the Kalchatti onto the flame and allow this to come to a boil. Now it will take slightly longer time for the water to boil because as you can see the Kalchatti is slightly thick, so it retains more heat than an ordinary pan. So I'm going to cover this and allow this to come to a boil. It's exactly 5 minutes now and let's check on the rasam. As you can see, the rasam has started to boil, and now I'm going to allow this to come to a rolling boil. And now I'm going to put the flame on the lowest. Just give it a mix. And I'm going to allow this to simmer in low flame for about 5 minutes. I'm also adding in 1 small piece of jaggery. Now this will help to balance all the flavors, so it's highly recommended that you use a small piece of jaggery. I'm going to give it a mix. Let it simmer for exactly 5 minutes. Since the heat retention is more, even though it is on low flame, you can see that it's boiling really well. So now the rasam has been simmering for about 5 to 6 minutes. And now I'm going to keep this cookware to the next burner and I'm going to prepare the tadka. And as you can see, even though I have turned off the flame of the soapstone cook pot, the rasam is still simmering, and it's because of the high heat retention the soapstone cookware has. Now for tadka, I have already heated a small cast iron pan And into that I'm adding in about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. And once the oil is heated, I'm adding in a big fat pinch of jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And then reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 3/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 4 sliced shallots, a sprig of fresh curry leaves. I'm just going to tear it and then add so that the flavors are released. 2 whole red chillies which I'm breaking into smaller pieces. 1/3 teaspoon hing, also known as kayam in Malayalam. Just going to give this a mix. And once the shallots starts to turn light golden brown, turn off the flame. Add the tadka into the rasam. Add a small handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves and immediately cover it with the lid so that the flavors are not released. After about 5 minutes you can serve the rasam. And as you can see, the rasam is still hot, and that is because of cooking in a soapstone cookware. After about 3 to 5 minutes, you can have this tomato rasam with hot steaming rice. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.